So it just started blizzarding out of nowhere. It was snowing lightly earlier. I have another video of that. Yeah, this just came out of nowhere. It's also pretty windy. You see a little bit of snow on the pool. I don't know if there is enough snow to see it on the ground. There might be. But yeah, I guess this is it for the video. And see you guys in the next one.